Oh, you want a head scratch? And Kili showed me that she wants head scratches by putting her head down and purring and scratching her own head, asking for me to help her out. Oh, looks like you got some pin feathers on your head there. You want me to open those up for you? There they are. There's another one right there sticking out, that little white tube. Very small feathers, so you gotta kind of just use the tips of your fingers and be gentle. And give a little head rub and get all those little pins that you might not even see. That's nice, huh? Yeah, some cheek scratches. Scratch behind the ear. Ooh, yeah, you like that, huh? Head massage. Ooh. Yeah, Kili likes that. Alright, there we go. We're gonna get those pin feathers. A little bit of a beak scratch, scratch off some of the flakiness. So you can learn lots more about parrot behavior, parrot training, and watch over 600 free Parrot Wizard videos at parrotwizard.com.